Navigation in buildbox is very easy. We have two cameras. This is perspective camera and this is final and render camera. It means from this camera you can play your game. This is a perspective camera. For going to the changing this camera, you can click it and change it. If you preview, the preview play based on this camera. If you select this camera, you can go into the camera and you can see the box will be appear that this is your camera position. You can turn it off and again going to your perspective camera. In this perspective, you can build your scene. This is on camera with right click, holding right click, you can look around like a games. W first, right click and W. If you don't holding your right click and hit W, D, S, and A, it just copy object around. Okay, be careful about that. First, you have to right click and then holding W to going forward, S to backward, A to left, and D to right. And you can very fast move on your scene. With scrolling your mouse, you can zoom in or zoom out. With holding middle mouse, you can pan. And the left click is just for selecting. Okay. And if you don't want to use your, for example, you can see navigation here. You can click mouse lock and you can see your mouse just is for locking. It does not click anything. And press M to turn it off. From here, you can, with the click, see the WSAD or looking around with just simple. If you don't want to use your mouse, you can doing something like that. But here just it's for clicking them. You can see it. Nice. Going up and down. You can use E for going. If you're holding your, this is just for clicking. You cannot use it if you don't want. Holding your mouse, right mouse button, E going up and Q going down. And that's it. The navigation in mind map or something like that is with holding your mouse. Middle mouse, you can pan, zoom, scrolling mouse, and left click is moving forward. This is all about navigation in buildbox.